Hi, this video is to show how the kangaroo, grasshopper, and bee jump. So let's start with kangaroo first. This is code I'm writing, so let's start. So you can see the group it jumps 3 times and say hello. So my code is do the my instruction is do this. So first when the kangaroo is clicked, it will repeat 3 times with a combo, wait for 1 second, and move 50 steps, and next consume. And then place on the pump until done and say hello for 2 seconds. And then let's go the grasshopper. So when the grasshopper is clicked, it repeats 3 times with combo, wait for 1 second, move 10 steps, and next consume, and play sound poop until done. It looks like this. And then B is like to move a circle. So let's take a look first. So this is code. When B is clicked, it will place sound B's until down for 3 times, and then wait for 0.5 seconds and repeat 3 times the combo. Turn counterclockwise 120 degrees. Move 50 steps and wait 0.5 seconds. So the one thing I struggle with is how to move the bee, move like a circle. It's hard, so I try to make the bee move a whole circle, so 3 times with counterclockwise 125 degrees with 306 degrees is a circle, so that can be a circle. That's all for this video. Thank you.